Good morning and welcome to the next consecutive video lecture. Here you can see on the board two series objects. It is the part of the previous video, and here in this video lecture I have included one more topic, LOC and ILOC. These two attributes are there. We can use these attributes with the series object, right? LOC, line of code, ILOC, it is the index line of code. Two different line of attributes are there. Now just see what is the very first. We will start from this part of the code, and then after that we will move towards the two series object operation part. Right here, just see these two attributes, LOC and ILOC, both the attributes are related with to filter the series, to filter the data elements from the series according to a given range. Just see, if you want to see the formula of this LOC function, you have to use this LOC function with the series object, right? Suppose our series object is SRO, it is the series variable name, so you just use SRO dot LOC. What is this one? Series object dot LOC. Then square bracket is there, and inside the square bracket you have to write the range. Range means, suppose if I don't want to show the complete series, I want to show the series position number 2 and 3, these two elements only, right? It is known as filterization process, to filter the data from the series, to filter the selected position element from the series. For that, these two operations, these two attributes are there. अब यूज कैसे करते हैं? Suppose SRO, it is my series object and it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different data elements with the default index value. It is the default index, right? Now suppose I supply this command. My command is print SRO, it is my series object, dot LOC, and here I write 2:3. What will be the result? 2:3. It is the start range, it is the stop range. And now what will be there? If you execute the command, 2:3 means out of these series, the second position and third position element. Second position is this one, third position is this one. These two elements will be there as an output. So the output is 2 300, 3 400, and then D type, it is integer 64. It will be the output of this particular command, right? This command works on a range. This is the start range, this is the end range, and here with this LOC function, both the range element should be included. 2 3, 2 is also included, 3 is also included. Just see the output 2 3. Both the elements are included. Both the range elements are included. Now instead of this, if I use this one, just see 1:3, then what will be the output here? 1 is also included, the position 1 element is also included, and position 3 element. Both the elements are included, and computer will generate will show all the data elements that are there in between this particular range. Means the output will be now 1 200, 2 300, and then 3 it is 400. Yaad karo, slicing. In the print slicing, if you use this sequence, 3 is not included in the slicing. The ending part is not included in the slicing. But here with LOC, all the elements that are there in between this particular range, these elements value should be there on the monitor as an output, right? So you can use the LOC function with the print command also. You can use the LOC function for the creation of the new series also. Suppose अभी मैंने ये किया SR2 equal to SRO dot LOC here 2:4. तो अब क्या होगा? देखो here SR2 new series object will be created by the computer, and in this series computer includes 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. These data elements of SRO series will copy into the new series, and the name of this new series is SR2. Right? I can use the command in these two different directions. First, use the command with print function. Second, you can use the command for creation of a new series. Right? It is the LOC attribute of the series. Now the next one, it is known as ILOC attribute. Just see what is there in this ILOC. A little bit, a small difference is there. क्या difference है? इसी में MCQ आता है. One MCQ should be there in the question paper related with this topic. जरूर आएगा. It is the important topic of series. Right? Now just see, if we use this ILOC, आपको सिर्फ difference देखना. What is the difference over there? Now, suppose I write the command, my series object is SRO, and I write this command print here SRO dot ILOC. ILOC, it is the attribute, it should be written in small letters only, जरूर ध्यान रखना. ILOC, and here inside the bracket I just use 2 4. Right? Up check what will be the output here. This is the start range. Just see ILOC function. Start range, stop range. Start, stop. But in ILOC function, the stopping value is not included in the output. It is just like the print slicing. समझ में आ रहा है? If I execute this command, क्या result आ रहा है देखो. 2 is included. It is the starting position. 2 300. 3 400 it is included, but 4 is not included. It is the stopping value. It is excluded from the output. Right? So the output of this one, it is this. दोनों में output check करो. What is the difference? आपको कुछ समझ आ जाएगा. D type, it is integer 64. Now I just write this command here. Print SRO, my series object, then dot here LOC. यहाँ पे था ILOC, here LOC, and with this LOC I use 2 4. What will happen? Just check it out. If you execute this particular line, computer will generate 2 300, 3 400, 4 500, and then D type. It is integer 64. Just compare the output. Check it. Just compare the output. Check it. Now I hope you understand the difference in between ILOC and LOC. LOC works on both the values. The range in between both the values are there in the monitor, where ILOC function works on the start value, but the stopping value is not included, just like the range function, just like the print slicing command, it acts accordingly. Right? So here, this is the attribute, these are the attributes of series object. Now, in this part, we will come towards this part here. You just read the topic. The topic is operations on 2 different series. In the previous video, we conducted some operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, different operations on a single series attribute. अभी हम बात करेंगे multiple series attribute. If we are having 2 different series attribute, then how we can add 2 series with each other, how we can subtract 2 series with each other, how we can multiply, how we can divide. So very first thing, here I have written 3 different series on the board. It is series 1. Just see the series properly. Here A, B, C, D. 4 indexes are there and 4 data items are there. Right? Just see the series 2. A, B, C, D. 4 index, 4 data items. Right? Now just see the series 3. A, C, D, F. 4 indexes, 4 data items. Clear? Now we are going to conduct operations. कौन से ऑपरेशन? ये ऑपरेशन करने वाले हम 2 अलग-अलग सीरीज पे. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Process समझना है. What is the process? How your computer conduct these operations? Right? So suppose I write one command. My command is SER4 equal to. See the command. Series 1, Series 2, Series 3, 3 series are there already in the program. I am going to create one new series, Series 4. इसके आगे मैं लिख देता हूँ equal to Series 1 plus Series 2. क्या होगा? Computer is going to add Series 1 with Series 2 and the addition of these 2 series is going to store into a new series that is known as Series 4. अब ये समझना है how computer is going to add data elements of two different series with each other, right? सबसे पहले ये समझेंगे SCR1 plus SCR2 what will be the output. So here if you produce the output, अगर आप ये लाइन लिखते हो print SCR4 तो इसका आउटपुट क्या आएगा? What is there in series 4 object? वो देखो series 4 it looks like this one SCR4. क्या होना है? दोनों सीरीज में जितने भी इंडेक्स हैं सारे अपीयर होने हैं। कॉमन इंडेक्स है तो भी अपीयर होना है, कोई इंडेक्स कॉमन नहीं है डिफरेंस है वो भी अपीयर होना है। हियर द बेनिफिट इज इन सीरीज 1 and 2 ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ABCD इंडेक्सेस आर सेम। तो कंप्यूटर क्या अपीयर करा रहा है? ABCD all the indexes of these two series will be there in the new created series. तो इसमें तो कॉमन है तो ABCD कंप्यूटर अपीयर करा दिया। Now computer is going to add same index values with each other. ये जरूर ध्यान रखना, same index values are going to add with each other in the result. So here A is 10, A is 20. आपने दोनों को ऐड किया, what is the value of A? It is now 30. Clear? Value of B is 20, value of B is 30. Now the new value is 50. Then 30 plus 40, the value of C is 70. Then 40 plus 50, the value of D is 90. And here the D type is equal to integer 64. Simple one. बस ये ध्यान रखना है, computer is going to make the arithmetical operations. If you apply the arithmetical operation in two different series, computer is going to connect the series by using the common index A to A, B to B, C to C and D to D. Right? Same ऐसे एक example देखते हैं subtraction का. What is there if I supply this command here? Just say print SER1 minus SER2. अब इसमें क्या होना है? 1 में से 2 की वैल्यू रिड्यूस हो जाएगी. सीरीज 1 reduced by series 2. What will be the output? Here just check the indexes are same A, B, C, D. Right? 10 minus 20. तो result क्या आया here? Here minus 10. 20 minus 30. So here again result is minus 10. Then 30 minus 40. Then the result is minus 10 again. 40, 50 again minus 10. This will be the output if you apply this command. Right? अब इसको उल्टा कर देते हो आप. अगर यहाँ पे आपने ये कर दिया print series 2 minus series 1. Now what will be the output? Series 2 minus series 1. तो अब क्या होगा? series 2 में से series 1 की वैल्यू आपको रिमूव करनी है. So here A, B, C, D, then D type. It is integer 64. क्या रिजल्ट आ रहा है? Series 2 just instead of the series 2 here 20 minus 10. So 10 is here. Then instead of the series 2 B की वैल्यू 30. 30 minus 20. Here again 10. Then 10. Then 10. It will be the result. These are the outputs of these two different operations. अभी मेन चीज अब आती है. What is the main thing? If you are having different indexes in the series, then what will happen? अभी इसमें तो क्या था? In series 1 and series 2 indexes are same. तो कंप्यूटर को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सीधा आउटपुट जनरेट हुआ. सेम इंडेक्स वैल्यू will be added with the respective index. Now we will conduct an operation related with this one. Just see the series 2 here. Series 2 A, B, C, D. 4 indexes are there. Now series 3 A, C, D, A, C, E, F. Only one index is common. No, A and C. Only 2 indexes are common. बाकी तो डिफरेंट है भाई. इसमें B और D है जो इसमें अवेलेबल नहीं है, यहाँ पे E और F है जो इसमें अवेलेबल नहीं है. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन इफ यू अप्लाई द कमांड? जस्ट सी, अभी मैंने ये कमांड लिखी SCR series 4 equal to SCR2 plus SCR3. If I am going to add these two series with each other and I want to show what is there in the newly created series, print SCR4 मैंने कमांड दे दी. क्या आउटपुट आना है? मैंने बताया था indexes of both the series should be there in the output, should be there in the newly created series. सारे इंडेक्स तो सारे आएंगे. कैसे? और सीक्वेंस में आएंगे in the alphabetical order. Right? क्या है alphabetical order? Now if you want to see the output A, B, C, D. So here A, B, C, D. 4 indexes of this one. Now D के बाद क्या आता है? E and F. ये भी इंक्लूड हो जाएगा आउटपुट में E and F. Indexes are clubbed with each other. क्लब होंगे, right? Now अब एडिशन कैसे हो रहा है? A की वैल्यू here A is there in both the series है, तो कंप्यूटर को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. कंप्यूटर is going to add the values of the relative indexes, and here the result of A it is 120. No problem, no issue. Now just see, B is there. B is there in this series, but it is not there in this series. Right? It is not a common index. कोई भी इंडेक्स अगर कॉमन नहीं है, दोनों सीरीज में से किसी में भी अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो कंप्यूटर क्या रिजल्ट दे रहा है? NaN, not a number. ये अवेलेबल होगा in front of B. NaN is there in front of B. Right? Now C is there. C is available in both the series. Computer is going to add these two data members, 100 plus 40. 140 is there in front of C. Simple है. Now just see, D is there. D is available here, but it is not there. दोनों सीरीज में इंडेक्स कॉमन अगर नहीं हो, then computer should put NaN, and the full form of NaN is not a number. Then E is not available in the first one, तो यहाँ पे भी क्या आ रहा है? NaN. F it is also not available. NaN. Just see the output of this one. Check it. Clear? This is the magic of the series. सेम वही होना है. अगर आप माइनस भी कर देते हो तो सीरीज 2 माइनस सीरीज 1 हो जाएगा, और जो कॉमन इंडेक्स नहीं है, दोनों सीरीज में जो इंडेक्स अवेलेबल नहीं है, वहां सब पे कंप्यूटर NaN 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 डाल देगा. क्लियर? दिस इज द मैजिक इन दिस सीरीज पोर्शन. एक और बात करते हैं. नाउ विद दिस सीरीज, ये तो ऑब्जेक्ट हुआ SCR2 + 3 का. विद in Python Panda we are having one add function also. Add is a function of the series object. इसी कमांड को, एडिशन को मैं add से करके बताता हूँ. Now just see here, SCR4 equal to SCR2 dot add. मैं बहुत बड़ा यूज कर देता हूँ. I require some more space over here, so just I am going to remove this part. Right? Now just see what is there in the add function. इसको यूज कैसे करें? If you want to add two different series, you are having two options. The first one, you just use this plus. जैसे एक तो ऑप्शन है मेरे पास SCR4 equal to SCR2 plus SCR3. If I want to add two different series, it is the first option. Just use plus operator, addition operator in between the series. इसका आउटपुट अभी भी तुमने देखा. Now the second thing is there in my hand. It is SCR4 equal to SCR2 dot add. I am having add function. Add function is there. Sub function is there for subtraction. MUL function is there for multiplication. DIV function is there for division. अलग-अलग function भी available है. इसको लिखना कैसे है? SCR2 dot add. यहाँ पे मैंने लिख दिया SCR3. SCR2 and 3. I want to add these two series. SCR2 dot add. मतलब कंप्यूटर को ये बोला SCR2 सीरीज में ऐड कर दो सीरीज 3, कॉमा एक इसी के साथ यूज करेंगे हम fill dash values equal to 0. It is the attribute of this add, multiply, subtraction, division function. Fill values equal to fill dash values equal to 0. Right? एट्रीब्यूट है, या तो इसकी वैल्यू 0 रखो या आपको कोई वैल्यू देने में, दोनों इफेक्ट बताता हूं. व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट इफ यू पुट द 0 ओवर हियर. अब इसका आउटपुट क्या आएगा? जस्ट चेक दिस वन. व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस कमांड हियर? पहले वाले का आउटपुट क्या आ रहा था? इफ यू अप्लाई दिस पर्टिकुलर कमांड, तो मैंने दोनों के आउटपुट इधर दो जगह लिख देता हूं. SCR2 + 3, इसका आउटपुट आया था A B C D E F. A की वैल्यू कितने थी? हियर इट इज 120. B वैल्यू ऑफ B इट इज NaN. Value of C 40 plus 100 means it is 140. Value of D it is NaN. A is smaller, NaN. Then here NaN, not a number. Then here NaN. this is the output of this particular sequence. Now we just apply this sequence. अब क्या होगा, इसका output क्या आ रहा है? Just see the output of this particular function. I am going to write it over here. Now just see the output is, again the indexes are club A, B, C, D, E, F. All the indexes are there. Addition हो रहा है. Addition means computer club all the indexes of these two different series. Now A 20 plus 100, A is common. So here 120 it is same. B is available in this series, but it is not available in the series 3. Still, you use this add function, तो कंप्यूटर क्या करता है? 30 अपीयर करवा देगा, because B की वैल्यू एक सीरीज में 30 है, दूसरी में भले भी ना हो. Now the C 40 plus 100, the value of C it remains same 140. D की बात करें, D is available here, but it is not available on that particular series. लेकिन कंप्यूटर इस D की वैल्यू अपीयर करवा देगा. The value of D is 50, value of E it is 100, value of F it is 100. Now just compare these two different outputs. Here D type it is integer 64. Here D type it is integer 64. Just see. If you use this addition operator, computer add the values of the common indexes only. If the index is different, if the index is not available in both the series, it will appear NaN in front of all these different indexes. But if you add two different series by using this add function of Python, here just see, कंप्यूटर विल क्लब ऑल द इंडेक्सेस एंड जो उस पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स आइटम की वैल्यू है वो वैल्यू वैसी रहती है अगर वो इंडेक्स आइटम दूसरी सीरीज में अवेलेबल नहीं है. आपको किस पे कंसंट्रेट करना है? जस्ट कंसंट्रेट ऑन B. हियर B इज NaN इन दिस आउटपुट, बट हियर B इज 30. क्या किया ऐड फंक्शन है? B इज 30 दो इट इज नॉट देयर इन द सीरीज, लेकिन इसने ये की वैल्यू उठा के यहां पे रखा. क्लियर? आपने कमांड दी थी fill a values equal to 0, मतलब ऑटोमेटिक कंप्यूटर यहाँ पे B की वैल्यू 0 मान के 30 वैल्यू वहां पे अपीयर करवा देगा. राइट? नाउ जस्ट सी, नाउ the part D is NaN over here. Now here just see the value of D is 50. क्या किया कंप्यूटर? just see D is available in that particular series, it holds the value 50, but it is not there in the series. By default computer put the value 0 of the index D, 0 plus 50 को ऐड किया और इसने 50 अपीयर करवा दिया. छोटा सा क्वेश्चन. Now if I remove this 0 from here and if I put 10 over there, तो क्या होगा? सोचो, माइंड लगाओ. क्या इफेक्ट आएगा? कहां इफेक्ट आना है? D, E, F उनमें इफेक्ट आना है जो कॉमन इंडेक्स नहीं है. क्या इफेक्ट आना है? देखो, here B is available, the value of B is 30, but B is not available in the series. तो by default पहले कंप्यूटर ने क्या किया था? उसकी वैल्यू 0 मान ली थी. Here आपने दिया fill values equal to 10. आप ये बोल रहे हो अगर इंडेक्स अवेलेबल है किसी सीरीज में, then just use the same value. If the index is not available in the next series, just put the default value 10 of that index in that series. तो अब क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे 30, यहाँ पे by default कंप्यूटर ने मान लिया 10. Now the output of B it is instead of 30 it is 40. समझ आ रहा है? Next one, just see the value of D. D is 50 over here, but it is not there in that next series. Computer put the default value 10 of D. Now the result of D is 60. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 110, यहाँ पे भी आ जाएगा 110. ये क्यों आ रहे हैं? 10 प्लस क्यों हो रहे हैं? Because आपने दिया fill values equal to 10. इससे पहले 0 था तो सेम वैल्यू आ रही थी. Clear? So these are the operations that we can conduct on the series object, and by this we have finished our data series chapter. It is the last video of this data series chapter. Now in the next video we will discuss about what are the different questions coming out from the data series chapter. Clear? Thank you very much.